Build a 100k plus solo empire. No employees, no office, no grind, just your laptop and an AI army doing the work of a 50-person team. By video's end, you'll have the exact blueprint to launch. Tools? Mostly free. Others cheaper than Netflix. Your 2026 freedom starts now. Here's what's happening right now. While you're watching, someone just launched a business that will hit 6 figures this year. They have 0 employees. They're not grinding 80-hour weeks. They're not drowning in admin work or hiring nightmares or dealing with payroll taxes. Meanwhile, you're watching everyone else build empires while you're stuck thinking, I don't have the capital. I don't have a team. I don't have the technical skills. That gap, that's costing you money, real money, right now. 2025 flipped the script. Tech that cost $500,000 teams now fits in your pocket. Watch me build a real business live with the 7-step system minting solo millionaires. $1 million idea in 10 minutes. Brand and site before lunch. 24/7 auto marketing. Sleep through customer pipeline. 0 employee ops. Let's dive in. Step 1 is finding that $1 million idea. Here's what most people get wrong about business ideas. They think you need to be original, revolutionary, some never before seen concept that disrupts an entire industry. But that's not how solo millionaires think. The real formula is simple. Find a specific problem that people are actively paying to solve. Then solve it better. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a $1 million idea in under 10 minutes. And we're doing this live. Here's the process. Step 1A. Go to Reddit. Open Reddit and search for your industry or passion. Look for communities where people are struggling with something. Not just asking questions, but actually paying for solutions. For example, Reddit thread freelancers, Reddit thread entrepreneurs, Reddit thread marketing, Reddit thread e-commerce. What you're looking for is pain points that appear repeatedly, problems that get mentioned over and over. Step 1B. Check Gumroad and School. Go to Gumroad or School and search the same keywords. Look at what's selling. What products are getting hundreds of reviews? Those are validated problems. People are literally paying money to solve them. Write down the top 5 products in your niche. Step 1C. Analyze the gap. Now here's where the money is. What are people not buying? What problems are people complaining about that don't have a good solution yet? Maybe there's a course, but it's outdated. Maybe there's a tool, but it's complicated. Maybe there's a service, but it's too expensive. That gap, that's your $1 million idea. So a real example here. I went to Reddit thread content creators, searched for automation, found 47 posts about people struggling to repurpose content across platforms. I checked Gumroad, found 3 existing tools, and they're all overpriced and all clunky. The gap? An affordable, simple tool that repurposes one piece of content into 10 different formats for different platforms. That idea could easily be a $500,000 to $1 million revenue idea. Why this works? You're not inventing it from scratch. You're solving a proven problem that people are already paying to solve. You're just doing it better. Step 2. Building your brand and website. Once you have your idea, the next step is legitimacy. People don't buy from nobodies. They buy from people who look like they know what they're doing. And here's the good news. You can build a professional brand and website in about 2 hours for free or even under $50. So, step 2A. Your brand identity. This could take 30 minutes. What do you need? A name, something memorable, easy to spell. A tagline, 1 sentence that explains what you do. Maybe a color palette, 2 colors max, professional and consistent. A logo, use Canva Pro, $13 a month, or just grab a free template. Don't overthink this. Seriously, the best brands are simple. Your name doesn't need to be clever, it needs to be clear. A good example could be content flow. Turn 1 video into 10 posts. That's it. That's your brand. Step 2B, your website, maybe 90 minutes. Use Webflow, Framer, or even Wix. Here's the minimum viable website. Homepage, your headline, your value prop, your call to action. How it works, 3 to 4 bullet points explaining your solution. Social proof, testimonials, even from beta users. Pricing page, start with one tier, don't overthink it. Contact/join waitlist. Simple email capture. That's it. You don't need a blog yet. You don't need 20 pages. You need enough to look legitimate. Step 2C, your first piece of content. Now, here's what separates amateurs from professionals. Your first video or post should explain your solution in 60 seconds. Why? Because when people find you, they need to instantly understand what you do. Script it, shoot it on your phone, post it on your website, YouTube, and TikTok. One video, 3 platforms, instant credibility. Step 3, automating your marketing. This is where AI changes everything. Most people think marketing means writing 10 posts a week, filming daily, staying glued to social media, but that's the old way. That's how you burn out. The new way, you create content once, AI repurposes it everywhere, and it runs 24/7 without you. Step 3A, the content flywheel. Here's the system. Create one long form piece, a 10-minute video, 2,000-word article, or a detailed thread. AI repurposes it into 10 pieces, 30-second clips, social posts, email sequences, carousel posts. Automation posts it using tools like Buffer, Later, or Zapier on a schedule. You sleep, content is generating views, leads, sales while you're offline. Step 3B, the tools, all under $100 a month. ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. Write scripts, social posts, email copy. Descript, it's about $24 a month, I believe. Auto-transcribe video, create clips, edit fast. Runway, it's about $12 a month. AI video editing, B-roll, effects. Maybe use Buffer or Later, it's about $15 a month. Schedule posts across all platforms. You could use Zapier, connect everything, automate workflows. That's all, $90 a month for a complete marketing machine. Step 3C, the actual workflow. On Monday, you record one 10-minute video explaining your solution. Tuesday, you can use Descript to auto-transcribe and create 5 short clips, 30 seconds each. Wednesday, you use ChatGPT to write social posts, email copy, Twitter threads, all based on the video. Thursday, you schedule everything with Buffer to post over the next 30 days. And then from Friday to Sunday, you do nothing. Content is posting. People are seeing it. Some are clicking your link. This is 4 hours of work generating 30 days of content. Step 4, filling your pipeline with customers. Here's where most solo businesses fail. They don't know how to actually get customers. They build a great product, they market it well, but they don't have a system for converting people into paying customers. So we'll go into step 4A, the sales funnel. You need 3 things: awareness, interest, and conversion. Awareness is people know you exist, right? Interest, people understand your solution now. And then conversion, people become paying customers. This could be through sales pages or email sequences. Right now you have awareness and interest covered, like we described. So now let's add conversion. Step 4B, your email sequence. When someone lands on your website, they should join your email list. Not because you're spammy, but because you're giving them value. Offer something free, a checklist, 10 steps to build your business, or a template, swipe and use business plan. A short course, 5-day challenge, or a tool, free AI prompt library. Then, over 5 days, email them. Day 1, your story, why you started this. Day 2, a big insight, something that shifted how you think. Day 3, common mistakes, what people are doing wrong. Day 4, your solution. Here's exactly how I solve this. And day 5, a call to action. Join my program, book a call, buy now. This email sequence converts 2 to 5% of people into customers. So then we're at step 4C, the pricing. Don't undercharge ever. Your first offer should be $97 to $297. Why? Well, it attracts serious people. It filters out the tire kickers. It makes your product feel valuable, and it actually covers your costs and should make you a profit. If you're building a course, a template bundle, or a tool, start with a one-time payment, not recurring. You can add recurring later. Now we're at step 5, running 0 employee operations. Now, here's the beautiful part. You don't need to hire anyone. AI can do the work of 50 people. and it costs less than hiring one person part-time. So now we're at step 5A, customer support. Use Tidio or Intercom, it's $25 a month with ChatGPT integration. Customers email you a question, AI drafts the response, you approve and send, takes 30 seconds. Most customer questions get answered automatically and your conversion rate goes up. Step 5B, content creation. Use 11 Labs, it's about $11 a month, funnily enough, for AI voiceovers. Synthesia, I think it's called, is $20 a month. That will give you like AI avatars. No more filming yourself, right? Create videos in 20 minutes instead of 2 hours that way. And then we go to step 5C, which is the admin work. Use make.com to automate everything. New customer, automatic welcome email sent, payment received, automatic invoice generated. Email sign up, automatic content added to the CRM. Content posted, automatic notification to your phone. Everything runs on autopilot. And then we go to step 5D, the numbers. One employee costs you $30K to $50K, plus taxes, benefits, management time. Your AI stack, $150 to $200 a month, right? That's like $2,000 a year. You're saving anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 a year, and you're actually getting more work done anyway. Step 6, scaling to $100,000 plus. Once you hit 10K a month, scaling becomes simple. You have a proven product that people want to buy, an automated marketing system, a sales funnel that converts, 0 employees eating into your profits, and now just turn up the volume. How? Double your ad spend. Partner with 10 influencers in your niche, create a second product and increase your price. At 100K a year solo, you could hire one person if you wanted to, but you probably won't. You'll just double down on automation. And then we get to step 7, putting it all together. Let me recap the entire system. Find your idea, it's 10 minutes, solve a problem, right? Build credibility, maybe 2 hours, website and the first video. Automate marketing, 4 hours a week. AI does all the heavy lifting. Convert customers, we talked about email, sales page. Turn interest into revenue. Run solo, no employees. AI handles everything. And then we scale, turn up the volume. Same system, more reach. Profit, 6 figures. No employees, no overhead, it's all yours. That's it. This isn't a theory. This is happening right now in 2026. The people building 6-figure businesses solo aren't smarter than you. They just know this system, and now you do too. If you want the step-by-step breakdown with all the tools, templates, and AI prompts that I use, the link's in the description. Let's go build something.